Monday evening and I just logged out of work not too long ago and I'm getting ready to put on my skincare for the night because it is time for me, y'all, to call it an evening in a second. Okay, this has been a long day. I just wanted to show y'all the progress of my skin. So I just washed my face and do y'all see how clear? And do y'all see how clear my skin is looking? I'm still using my products from agency and I like to add my products to damp skin, so I'm dampening my skin. But anyway, y'all, this has been sort of a long day, not too long. I actually started a new job, y'all, so yay to me. And it's pretty much the same as what I was doing before. So for the majority of my career, I have worked in healthcare recruitment. And right now, working in this space is pretty challenging because healthcare in general is just at an interesting state right now. But when I started recruiting, that is the area that I kept getting hired into. Y'all know I took my break from corporate for a while, and I can say that coming back to corporate and being able to work remote does change my perspective a lot on the whole corporate life, because if y'all followed me back when I was out doing my own thing, I was just more like, no, I never see myself going back. The work-life balance sometimes just isn't there, but a new opportunity just presented itself and it was time to make a move. And when I decided to go ahead and take that opportunity, working in healthcare is definitely a rewarding field. Like I said, it's definitely challenging these days, especially from a recruitment standpoint, and especially depending on the types of positions you're recruiting for. It definitely has its challenges, and I feel like this time around I do have better managers, and that definitely makes a difference if you have good people in place that you report to. I am still training in my current job, even though it's very similar to what I was doing before. We're using different applicant tracking systems than what we were using in my previous company, so it's definitely been a little learning curve there. Nevertheless, I am excited to just learn and have this new experience. I'm trying to figure out, am I going to tie up my hair? I have been having to be on camera a lot recently, but I don't know, maybe I could slick it back in a little ponytail because I'm gonna have to wash it again in a couple of days. But also, I'm so proud of me. I have upped my water intake, and I have been drinking 2 of these, or trying to get through at least 2 of these a day. So this is my 40-ounce Stanley, so I've been trying to drink at least 80 ounces. I am basically done with this one. I still got a little bit of water in here, and I'm gonna finish another full one of these before I go to bed. I need to go ahead and get these dishes. I have some clean dishes in the dishwasher. I need to put some dirty ones in there. I already have dinner. I cooked some salmon pasta. I'm still eating on that. So yeah, that's gonna be my dinner for tonight. I may make some green beans to go on the side of that. I also need to put that trash out. I can't remember if I showed y'all my new mirror. I think I did, but I really like it. It's cute. It did come low-key kind of broken. Like a screw back here is not where it's supposed to be. I got this from Wayfair, so I kind of felt like I was risking it. I think I'm just gonna order some metal glue to go ahead and glue that screw back in, but I definitely wrote them and let them know. So they gave me some off for that being broken, but so I'm gonna keep it for now because it took way too much to get it in here, and I definitely don't feel like boxing that up and sending it back. I also forgot to show y'all the cutest little trinket dish I ordered off of Etsy. I am like a new Etsy shopper, so I ordered this to go either on my dresser or on my TV stand, and I decided to put it on my dresser. I've just been keeping a few rings and earrings in there like that, but y'all, this is like the cutest little trinket dish item. So this is what it's looking like. I ended up moving these books, and then I have these candlesticks on my bedroom dresser, and then I want to add maybe 1 or 2 more things to decorate. So yeah, but this is what the dresser is looking like so far, and it's kind of dark, y'all, so I don't know if y'all can really see, but I think it's just so cute up here. It's perfect. I am done putting up the dishes in the kitchen, so as y'all can see, I have all those clothes to put up behind me. So I'm just gonna continue my chores, finish drinking this water, y'all. I started my workouts again yesterday, so I made it to the gym yesterday, but didn't make it today, but I plan on going tomorrow. So yeah, I feel like I am slowly trying to get back into the swing of things. It can definitely be difficult when you fall off with the gym. It can be hard getting back into it, but I gotta do it. So I'm gonna be back in there tomorrow. But anyway, so thanks y'all so much for tuning in to this vlog, and I will see y'all in my next video.